I like to ask my construction clients that I coach on a one-on-one basis, I like to ask them, if you could wave a magic wand, what is one breakthrough that you would like to achieve in the next 12 months? So get out your magic wand. This is not a pen, it's a magic wand. Do a little bit of waving and ask yourself that same question. And the idea that pops into your head, just write it down on a piece of paper. Okay? Then what you do is once you have that breakthrough identified, you ask this question. In what specific ways can I achieve that breakthrough in the next 12 months? And after you've got that question written down, you then brainstorm by yourself for 2 minutes and write as many ideas as you can come up with in a 2-minute time frame in order to answer that question, in what specific ways can I achieve the breakthrough that I'm looking for? Then after 2 minutes, you look at your list and you pick your top 2 ideas. Then you look at those top 2 ideas and you ask yourself the question, which of these ideas can I implement in the next 30 days in order to make incremental progress towards achieving my 12-month goal? If you discipline yourself to do that and commit to that incremental progress on that best idea in the next 30 days, you'll get way further down the road than you could ever think possible to achieving that breakthrough that you identify. And just to give you one more tip, when you're asking yourself that question, in what specific ways can I achieve the breakthrough, focus in on the word specific, because the more specific you are in the ideas that you come up with, the more actionable you can be. My name is Eric Anderton. Hope you found this tip helpful, and I hope that you wave that magic wand and achieve the breakthroughs you're looking to achieve in the next 12 months.